Today, I got something special to share. A fun simple build with a technic mechanism. A diorama of a sea turtle swimming. Looks fun, right? If you want to create one for yourself, please stay tuned because I'll be sharing the detailed instruction in the second part of this video, along with a list of the parts you will need. So, hang tight! Hi guys, it's Yuan from legoinstructions and welcome back to my channel. Now, let me give you a brief introduction to this build. Some of you might recognize this sea turtle from my previous video, Underwater Adventure. It was another project I created and posted on the LEGO social media channel last year. If you haven't seen it yet, I will leave a link in the description below. In that project, I created an entire undersea world with many creatures and plants. I wanted to build something smaller, which only focusing on the mechanism that I didn't showcase much in that video. So there you go, a mini underwater world with our sea turtle happily swimming. Really?
Oh yeah!
So let's talk about the structure a little bit. It features a simple lifting mechanism, as you can see here. Just a few lift arm pieces connected together, and a modified crank to control the movement of the sea turtle. I placed it on a see-through base so you can better understand how it works. And I also put on some interesting details on the surface here. But remember, you don't have to follow them exactly from my instruction. Just feel free to decorate however you like. After all, LEGO is all about fun and creativity, right? Hope you're enjoying this little build so far. Now let's dive into the building tutorial. And if you enjoy my LEGO creations and tutorials, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to turn on the notification so you will never miss my new project. Happy building, and I'll see you on the next one.